thinking as an undergraduate student. Maybe you did an internship, or maybe you haven't done a formal internship, but you've just had summer work. Maybe you cut grass. I did that. That was my job. I can't really say, well, I mowed lawns, so make me a manager of people, right? That's where we need to, I try to encourage undergraduate students and graduate students alike to think differently, to think outside of just, oh, I'm going into a networking event, I have to talk about my major, or I have to talk about my degree, and I have to talk about my previous experience. Yeah, some of that'll probably come up. Yeah. Why don't you talk about the Cubs? Why don't you talk about what's happening on Wall Street? Even if that's not your area of focus. Maybe the Dow took a hit. I don't know, spend 5 minutes Googling what that means and have it in your pocket, ready to talk about.